Oh, guys, I'm late. I'm late.
Oh, late for what? Oh, the party, right?
Yeah.
The party will be over.
Oh, guys, I'm going. Yes, I'm going. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Jane, hi. Yeah, that's my beautiful cousin, Jane. What do you want to talk? Happy birthday, Jane. Happy birthday to you. Good Lord bless you. May the good Lord No. I'm back home. I just wanted to talk to you guys before I go to bed because it's really late. Like, this is after 1. Wait. Zoom. So I found this strip that I used when I was pregnant for Ola, guys. I can't believe it. When I saw it, I was screaming. Almost. And I kept it. I've never really kept things like this before. This is the strip I used to know I was pregnant for Ola. Can you guys believe this? Like, I was like, I'm going to keep it though. I just pray this thing should not even try me. I'm going to keep it. I don't know what I'm keeping it for. Maybe I'm keeping it to show them. I don't know. But I'm going to keep it. Guys, there's something I kept. Hey, God, hope I kept Ola's own well. But I'm sure if Ife's on. That their placenta, that their cord, that thing that falls when from their navel. I kept it. So I kept Ife and Ola's own. Even though I'm not sure where I kept them again. Hey, Jesus. But I know I kept them sharp. So today was fun, guys. It was really fun. I had fun. I met up with hubby on the highway because he was coming back from visiting his friends. So I met up with him. But it was fun. So many people complimented on me today, on my skin. Somebody told me that my black is so beautiful. Please, I should not spoil it. One of the ladies there, maybe I'm going to show you a picture and circle her, the particular person that emphasized it, that first said it, and then everybody was now saying it. And when I told most people I was married 10 years with kids, they were just acting. It be like say, this camera, I know they show my beauty well. If you meet me for real life, you guys are like, people used to be stunned. People they stunned. Because seriously, I'm not even joking. I know I love myself too much, I know. But still people used to like overhail me when they see me outside. I'm not even there. Anyway. See the longer that is doing me this night. After eating the food I ate in that place, I ate when I came home. My girl made indomie. Bobby bought one chicken, one roasted chicken, all these local roasted chicken things. I ate it. Now I'm eating banana. I'm drinking pure water. I'm a local girl. Hey girl. Your hair is so beautiful. Hey girl. Hey Jina. You look so pretty. When Jina made her hair, I was so stunned by her. She was looking so stunning. Ife, can we see your hair?
Yeah. I like Jina.
See, Ife, you look so handsome.
I got a new bottle top for you.
Yeah, Jina got a new bottle top.
Miss, you got a new bottle top. Yeah.
You look so handsome, baby.
In the back. I got it for you.
Mama, you're so excited.
Yes, I only had one. Oh.
Are you wearing shoes, stomach? Your stomach was showing. Hey. Oh, me, I'm just looking so scrawny. You see, I think about my kids first before myself. Won't you say thank you, Mom?
Thanks, Mom. I love the Rabina.
You eat it with your food. Really beautiful.
Let me keep it really beautiful.
Yes, Jina was playing in your swing.
In the swing.
Yes.
You know what to school, right?
Yeah, she went with me, of course.
Princess.
Miss Tonia's daughter. You know her.
My one. And our birthday is in May 4th. Yes.
Her birthday is May 4th.
Yes.
Wow. And while yours is May 5th, right?
Mine is May 4th.
Yours is May 4th.
Yes.
That's true.
But how can you forget my mom?
How can I forget your birthday? So guys, we got new uniforms for the kids, sportswear, clubwear uniforms. We couldn't get them like September when they started. I actually wanted to get it for them, but we couldn't, so we got it this time. And Ola is trying to eat one of them. No, thank you. Thank you. See Ola. Just see this girl. But you just threw it on the floor. And then we got the... You're looking for what to put in your mouth. Oh yeah. Take. So yeah, so we got Gina's result. We couldn't get Ife's own. I was rushing, so I couldn't get Ife's own. They will give it to him tomorrow.
You're rushing to go.
To come back to see you guys.
What is you guys?
You and him and Dad.
Because you missed us.
Yeah, we did.
But why can't you just take your time?
Oh, sorry, but they said they were going to give it to you.
Yeah, but I thought at first that they were not school uniforms. I thought they were. Hey, where'd they go? Sneaky uniforms. They're in the room. Who put them there? Oh, us who? Who are the us's? So there's both of us. Oh, that me. Where are you? No. What? You yourself and me. Put it there. Oh. And there's no person. And there's no person like that. And there's no person beside of us. And there's no person.
Can you guys go and rub our sleep? Are you excited to go to school?
Yes.
How do you feel?
Happy. I want to meet my friends.
Oh, really? You miss them?
The moose said entire moose land is destroyed by Mommy Jina's shaking. That she must repay by going inside the hair moose can and fixing all of it with only one hand. What can they use? Will it this one or this one? My mom will use the right hand.
What is the color?
Mommy will read it. If it's a that.
Go and keep it. Hey, baby. Really? Good morning. Thank you. She's with it.
Okay, welcome to Max Sports right here.
They are not big.
Music
The clothes are bigger than them.
It's 11 minutes past 8. My name is eBay. Let's get right into it, beginning with stories from the world of basketball. The NBA regular season is still on and popping, and we had about 6 games played.
I just dropped the kids. I have to go to the pharmacy. There is one shortcut I saw that I normally would pass, but there's so much bumps on this road, so I can't pass it again because I have to go and buy this Ventolin for hobby. So yeah, I'm going to the pharmacy. I hate bumps. I like bumps and I hate bumps. In estates, I think people should have bumps. Let me know what you think. I think people should have bumps like on the roads in estate, because some people can be crazy. My estate doesn't have bumps, and I know how some people drive like mad people. So it's annoying, but it's good because especially for like kids, there's no way bumps will humble you, no matter how fast you are driving. So it helps. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. Oh, so bright, so bright, so bright, so bright. Calm down. So I'm on my way out. I'm going to my friend's salon, hair by Deka, the hair I'm wearing. Okay, so I've not seen her for a very long time, and I feel like we need to see and catch up, you know. I've just been at home working. What did I do my this thing? What is this thing now doing like it's strong? So we've not seen for a while, and me, I've been at home, you know. I've not been going out since, I don't think I've gone out since that time, or like this kind going out since that time. So I'm going to hook up with her and, you know, just edit. I'm carrying my laptop. I'm going to be editing some videos so that it's not just be gist. And yeah, you guys like my hair. I love it. Like, I love the look this morning. I'm feeling very cheeky. So I'm not actually driving. Why am I always touching my hair? Let me try and see if I will not touch my hair throughout this talk now. I'm not driving. I'm going to be using boats. Hobby is going to drop me off like at a junction. Okay. Back. Hobby is going to drop me off. Like, I'm going to start book for the boat so that the boat come and meet us somewhere, because he's going for work and me, I'm going for work. Yes, because I'm editing. So I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, I didn't touch my hair.